Volcano fears in Bikita. What do scientists actually say? Zana pena mashoko kubuda panguwa ino chitiko choshamisa nyika yese Zimbabwe kunokwa kunzi nyika yeBikita muZimbabwe panguwa ino kwa nema fears ema volcanic eruptions. Panguwa ino kuchonokwa kunzi people they are calling kuti what are scientists saying about this? Kuri kunokwa kunzi there is an eruption irikuitika panguwa ino ye kunokwa kunzi there are some possible suggestions kuti maybe kana isiri volcano. There are some suggestions in which chingavachi maybe it might be a hot spring or something else. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibula Rachiti, volcano fears in Bikita. What do scientists actually say? Ano later a video recorded across the country. Pangwa which ones people that even watching this what surface it is appearing from the ground. One suggests some possible suggestions which is number one. It might be a boiling ground, goes viral. Dramatic video from Bikita sparks social media storm, with many claiming a volcano is forming. 2. No evidence of eruption. USGS says there are no signs of magma movement, earthquake, or ground deformation in Bikita. Number 3. Hot spring, not lava. Scientists say hot water can come from deep underground, where groundwater is naturally hosted. Number 4. Zimbabwe has no active volcanoes. Smithsonian Global Volcanism Program records no active volcanoes in the country. Number 5. Scientific investigation needed. Experts call for proper testing of water, gases, and geology to understand the natural phenomenon. Doma developments are kubuda panguwa ine vanhu vachipiwa masuggestions ekuti aiwa this is not a hot magma and panguwa ine it might not be a volcano. Pinda comment section medu zofungura email kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Don't subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.